Hello and welcome back to Intellify. My name is Yash and in this video we'll be discussing Class 12 Politics in India since Independence, Chapter number 4, India's External Relations. And now we are going to discuss the ninth question of this chapter. So let's have a look. Question number 9 says, how does political leadership of a nation affect its foreign policy? Explain this with the help of examples from India's foreign policy. Well, foreign policy bears resemblance with the view of political elites of a country. Initially, Pandit Nehru's personality had a significant influence on the formulation and implementation of India's foreign policy. He wanted to project himself as a champion of world peace, so he gave an ideal content to the country's foreign policy. Some points to be taken into consideration are, let's discuss them. It is in this context that Nehru always desired peace not merely as an ideal but an essential condition for its own security. According to Pandit Nehru, peace for India was not specific neutralism but an active positive approach towards international relations and problems, leading to the easing of tensions by means of resolving disputes. Secondly, being the chief architect of India's foreign policy, Pandit Nehru's ideology guided India's foreign policy principles. We may give an example of how Pandit Nehru aptly remarked that anti-colonialism and anti-imperialism are kernels of India's foreign policy and accordingly conducted external relations. For instance, India openly supported the anti-colonial movement in many parts of Asia and Africa. India also raised its voice against Pakistan when later was trying to crush the people of Bangladesh in 1971. This is one of the main characteristics of India's foreign policy. NAM was a reaction to the Cold War politics, whereby newly independent countries decided not to align themselves with either of the blocs and not become part of their arms race. They instead decided to help in reducing these tensed atmosphere. The Panchsheel Agreement was also signed with China in 1954 and has been reiterated time and again. It also regulates India's relation with other countries. Lastly, it was after the Chinese aggression in 1962 that the foreign policy of India was given a pragmatic approach, as a result of which India could fight three wars with Pakistan. Apart from Nehru, India's foreign policy has also been influenced by Sardar Patel, Gandhi, Krishnan Menon, and Mrs. Indira Gandhi. My name is Yash. Hope you understood well. Thank you.